Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the chance that given to us to share our discussions with this video. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Yanwalita Rahmawati, and my partner is Dia Octavia. So before we share our answer, I would like to read the text first. Okay, part 2, choose the correct answers to complete the following short passage. We believe the Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. At present, we are forced to look the other bodies in the solar system for hints as to what the early history of the Earth was like. Studies of our Moon, Mercury, Mars, and the large satellites of Jupiter and Saturn have provided ample evidence that all these celestial bodies had formed. The same bombardment must have affected Earth as well. The lunar record indicates that the rate of impacts decreased to its present low level about 4 billion years ago. On Earth, subsequent erosion and crustal motion have obliterated the craters that must have formed during this epoch. Scientists estimate the Earth's age by measuring the ratio of various radioactive elements in rock. The oldest Earth rock tested thus far are about 3.1 per 3 billion years old, but no one knows whether these are oldest rock on Earth. Tests on rocks from the Moon and on meteorites show that these are about 4.6 billion years old. Scientists believe that this is the true age of the solar system and probably the true age of the Earth. And then we move to the question number 1. In line 8, the word obliterate means. Our answer is B, destroy. Why we choose B as an answer? It's because in Indonesian, the meaning of the obliterate is dilenyapkan, and the answer choice B, destroy, has the same meaning as obliterate. So the correct answer is B. And then the next question will be continue with my partner Tia Octavia.
Okay, number 2. According to this passage, how do scientists estimate the age of the Earth? The answer is A, by measuring the ratio of radioactive elements in rocks. Why we choose A as answer? Because look at the second paragraph, the first sentence. The sentence reads, scientists estimate the Earth's age by measuring the ratio of various radioactive elements in rocks. So the right answer is A. Number 3, scientists estimate the age of the Earth as. The answer is C, 4.6 billion years old. Why we choose C for the answer? Because the proof of the answer is located in paragraph 2, sentence 3. The sentence states tests on rocks from the Moon and on meteorites show that these are about 4.6 billion years old. Based in the sentence, the correct answer is C. Number 4, which of the following process leads to the obliteration of the Earth from by the bombardment of the Earth by the celestial bodies? The answer is D, crustal motion. Why we choose D for the answer? Because in the text, there is a sentence on Earth, subsequent erosion and crustal motion have obliterated the characters that must have formed during this epoch, which is in accordance with the question that asks what process caused the destruction of the character. So the correct answer is D. Number 5. According to the passage, why are scientists forced to look at other bodies in the solar system to determine the early history of the Earth? The answer is B, erosion and crustal motion. Why we choose B as answer because the answer is implicitly explained in the first paragraph. The translation of the first paragraph is we believe the Earth is about 4.6 billion years old. At present, we are forced to look to other bodies in the solar system for hints as to what the early history of the Earth was like. Studies of our moon, Mercury, Mars, and the large satellites must have from during this approach. Based on the text, it can be concluded that the formation of all the large celestial bodies must have influenced the Earth as well. On this Earth, erosion and subsequent crustal movement have obliterated the characters that must have formed during this approach. Thank you, Nexiano.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and we apologize if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.